Sprinkle your plants with these natural ingredients, and you'll quickly see results. Flowers like never before. These are easy and eco-friendly methods that really work. The first is Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, which supports photosynthesis and plant growth, especially for green and flowering plants. Spread it generously on the soil surface to give your plants a vital nutrient boost. The second ingredient is coffee grounds, which usually end up in the trash, but are a rich source of nitrogen, improving soil quality and slightly acidifying it. Sprinkle the grounds around the base of the plant to enrich the soil naturally. Finally, cut a piece of an ordinary dish sponge, soak it well, and place it between the plants in the pot. The sponge will act as a small moisture reservoir, gradually releasing water to the roots, helping to maintain consistent hydration. This will help your plants stay healthy, vibrant, and develop beautiful colors you'll notice day by day. With these simple steps, your plants will thrive like never before.